Hi everyone, this is Jamie for HeidiSwapp.com. This week's video is titled Valentines Made Easy. But this tutorial is good for any day, any type of occasion card, or any kind of gift giving. So don't think this is only just a Valentine themed idea. I want to show you how to wrap up a sweet treat using Heidi Swapp Stationery. We're going to be headed in this direction. These stationery sets are available at joann.com, and I've pulled together the Gracias card set, the You Rock card set, and the Hi. And I'm going to show you just a real quick way how to put together a Valentine or thank you treat for someone. So first we're going to gather a couple of supplies. So I have the Heidi Swapp Stationery, and I have here a part of the heart kit. This is an accessory kit to the stationery. This comes with For You cards, acrylic hearts to make tags. I'm going to show you a different way I'll be using this today. I'm going to need some twine and some scissors and a paper trimmer and a hole punch. One other item I felt helpful to create this little project is also a hot glue gun. So get that ready as well. So what we're going to do here, each of these kits includes 4 cards and 4 envelopes. So what I'm going to do first, I found this trail mix at my local Target, and super cute little Cupid's Crunch trail mix. I like the way it fit inside the envelope. So you're going to slip this inside the envelope, and you won't be able to close it all the way. And this is why the hot glue comes in handy. Just going to add a dot of hot glue right here and close that, and it's going to be like a little gift pouch. So what I'm going to do is just add a drop of glue right there and real gently close it so that it's not tight, because obviously I have something in there that's dimensional against a flat envelope. That's okay. I kind of like that pouchy thing going on. Okay, so you have the treat inside the envelope. Next, what I did is I wanted the card to fit, and obviously it does fit over the envelope, but I wanted it trimmed out just a little bit to give the envelope, which I think this envelope is super cutie, I wanted to give it a little bit more exposure. So I'm just going to go in and trim off the 3 sides. Obviously, I do not want to trim the fold off, so I will only trim off these 3 sides just right about 1/4 inch. And then that just gives it a little bit of a better frame, if you will, of the envelope around the card. Then what I did is I took the envelope and punched a hole in the envelope, and then I'm going to do the same thing here with my card. Hole punch that, then I'm going to tie those together, after which, assuming I've gone ahead and written my sentiment inside, I'm going to finish this by running twine through both the card and the envelope, and that way it's just one cute treat together. Now that that is tied together, obviously I could leave it just like it is. What I'm going to do is add the acrylic heart to the top of this. And so I'm just going to trim out another piece of twine and then tie that around the existing bow. It's just another fun additional accessory. It gives a little more interest to the package as a whole, but all at the same time, it's keeping this Valentine card or this gift card, or however you want to use it, as super easy. So that's just a fun way to sort of think outside the card, outside the envelope, and add a treat for Valentine for somebody. And so this is how we are making Valentine's easy with Heidi Swapp Stationery.